I'll block you all your family members. Akosia, Ghana people they worry too much. Come on, funny video too. You said maturity. What's maturity in this? Eh? But you go on other people's page, you go on Nigeria people's page, you go on this foreigners page and go and comment. You see someone, all these people you follow on social media, 99% of them know they do things, for fun and all of that. You go and comment under this Abrochiri people's comments. You put love, cute. Oh. If you see your own Ghana people, childish, kwasi a girl, this. You are frustrated, madam. You are depressed. Masa, go and sleep. Go offline. Go and sleep. You'll not be happy. Because if you are happy, you'll be happy for people. Come on, small thing. Small song I've done to is paining you. Why? Take your maturity, your English, your everything out of here. Here, Felatans we fool. Ye GNE, na area secret every Sir, India, me are full and full. Oh, I'm full two. Unless I'm busy, I'm at work or I'm busy with my husband. But aside that, they're fooling. Oh, you've not seen anything yet. Then start unfollowing me because the maturity in there and I'm by. My sister, if you're happy, you'll be happy for people, Papa. If you're happy, and you are content, this life, if you are content, let me tell you one secret. If you are content, you are happy. The way you be happy for people, I don't lie. Because why you now you be okay, you understand? So why won't you be happy for someone? Nowadays, I will not respond to any negative comment again because I still say, you be in my position. Yeah, you see, So if you are frustrated, you are depressed, you are not happy, please don't be on social media because social media is a place for people to laugh. Understand? It's a place for humor. Be happy. If you see something funny, if you want to repost. You want to comment, laugh, then you move. Life, you'll die very soon. You'll die within a short period of time. Then when you're in your grave, you'll be asking yourself, Ash, why didn't I do this? Anything you want to do in this life, do it, my guy. Do it. Let me tell you one funny video. Funny video. Let me tell you one funny thing. Do you know that when this TikTok thing came, I have been telling my husband that we should do it. He said, you'll not do. I said, okay. And I did it with his manager. Few days after, my husband, just wanted us to be doing this TikTok thing, I'm like, so if I'd listened to him, I wouldn't have even, see this life. So we did ours and he got, that's pinch him. He too, he wants to do some now. So anything he wants to do it. I'm hungry. I want to be serious, but I'm feeling too much. Hi. Yay. Me am say 6 o'clock, but hey, ready. I'm scared. I can't wait to drop my second single. My guy, do anything you want to do in this life, do if na song you want to do if na acting you want to do if you want to do funny video, do anything that will make your soul happy, do it. Forget everybody. Oh, on Facebook someone is using your name I'm not on Facebook. I've said this countless times. I'm not on Facebook, please. I'm not on Facebook. Oh, I'll drop it. Yellow English. Okay, let me switch. How is wants to marry your sisters? Is want to marry my sister? Oh, my sister is on social media. Is follow her. Is what? DM her. Is get to her. Is marry her. Is follow you. Is follow you. Is follow you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Thanks you too so much. Thanks you very, very much. I'm love it. It's fine. It's very, very fine because it's cooking jollof. He's going to eat jollof. He will eat. He's give some to my husband's. We chops, then we strip. It's rough your characters too. It's rough your characters. It's rough everything. It's rough you kiss. Oh, Portia, what is wants me to do for you again? Huh? It's no my Brofoye times, but it doesn't cares. I doesn't cares about you or what you thinkings about me. It's happy. You are sad. Meanings, me and you is not the same. It's happy, you are sad. You are frustrated. Life is short. So you have to live your life. Not to praise anybody's, but to praise yourself. Felatans, are you listening to me? Life is short, so live your life.
Good boy, stay. Medin the BG, afraid and be but you obey Madame into Munti. Cassa Hallelujah and dress me feel what better be a dear we are Cassa Baby. So whom my chance to the end of the Kutamara Mudu. I made a PA may bond the road to Munasu, to your academic the rap, never to be. I shall come, I shall be the fee. I swear to go to the embassy. Or Jonathan Bois rap to me to feel. I am a most of me soon. So my swear, to be frank, we did many of a chance if school to say my colleague. Whom I never can see. It's a matter between the Sarch this year. You see, I find to say, baby, you find your better kinds of milk, Mary, high. Watch it, mine, and Chipramine, and go pound to say, Yachi 9. The real dying so me who are mine, Multimedia of 7 many 9. The things I do is so amazing. To everywhere I go, then people the chasing, people the claiming, people the waiting for me just because they wanna know me. In my country, nobody go feel break me because if we are medical and one way to rap with them, rap here a minute. My baby, my son, I'm also saying, catching my rap free to think to what they send me. ka me ho a me no obi a mo mo che me poncha no che ndi ma no fefe ano ese me ye free me mu me ya abofra da me na ya me na rap nsuo ya de sisi me so ya wo me to ha na hye nkom se da chi bia me de rap be di mo so nti me poncha na so e che po se me bufu na me yiri so amafa te me rap chere mo kwan ya che woto sa mama me furo no ebusu a me bi mpu ato ban wo hia ne ya kudan ti kani so ato dan kai fi ka se me kai me dan me rap you go size ni kuro me furo no ebusu wo ka so nya me rap se ko ka de come like bomb to the pastor baby da ni jokes asode ba ekuya ba me rap ye nyame yama obo wada obi aka aye wo se nyame bebe kwesi ada try me na hwe wo be look sharp cause the whole Ghana me makonka rap me hero rap go Dubai so go boss ya kofa ba yes today